In this tutorial, we are going to write a MySQL queries in WorkBench. For this one, you have to log on to MySQL WorkBench. The UI is looking like this one. Then when your instance is created with an MySQL 80, it's a default, and the localhost is 330. If you want to create, just click plus button, it will go to create. So I'm using the previous one. Then it will ask a username already be given as root, and the password you need to type here. After logging that, you're going to get into that UI console. Like this is a palette work, you will get it, where that it is consisting of administrator right now in the current tab in administrative. Then if you want to look that dashboard, just you click the dashboard, you can get it our exact dashboard, what is happening in the database. So till now we use on 16% of usage of database. Then if you want to check the performance schema setup, everything it's available here, how much performance. Now I want to click on the schema button where it consisting of three databases. We created a database called DB. You can check it out by clicking here. We have a table called employee. So if I click this employee table, you can see that what is an employee number, what is an e-name. So employee is an integer type of a primary key, and e-name is a varchar of size 50. Then if I want to see my table, just click here. Yes, you can get that table exactly what is there. Like that one, if you want to create a new table for in this database, you can select which database where you want to create. So while creating database, it's compulsory or mandatory. It will create a three things. One is a table, views, procedures, and functions. Now if you want to create a table, just right click and create a but click on create table. Then instead of creating a table syntax, it will interact with the UI. Like in an MySQL, you will write in a syntax like create table, table name followed by tuples. Now I will write the table name as a department. Then you can see that the name is a department. If I want to add a column, just click this one. It will elaborate it. And the column name, I want to write a department number first. Write department number, and which is a, if you want to select the type, data type, it have already it listed a lot of things. So I'm taking an integer type, and it like required a primary key, it's a not null. Then if you want to add one more field, then you can type department name, then the varchar is 45. Then if you want to take one more column name, just click it, and I'm adding the column name called location. Okay, right. We are created a table name called department. It consists of department number, department name, and location. Now I want to click for apply. When I click for apply, it is going to ask, do you want to apply any changes? Just I'm clicking click OK. Now you can see that this is normally we write a query called create table, table name. In that one we write the three fields, column called department number, department name, location. And the primary key of this is department number. Just click on apply. Then successfully the query is executed. Then click finish. Now you can see that department table is created. Just we have the information of this one. Do you want the settings? And if you want to see that table configuration, just click it. You can see that department number, department name, location. Now you can insert directly from here, or you can insert from MySQL also. Just I'm going to open MySQL command line. Okay, now I'm logging into here. Then I'm using the database DB. If I call show tables, then it will print how many tables exist. You can see the two tables. You are also you can see that department and employee. Now then I will print. Till now we did not update anything. The table is empty. Just click select star from department. Then you can see that the empty set because we did not update it. Now you can insert from here. You can insert here also. If you want to insert, just type insert into table name values. and the primary key is 1, and I want to update with an one as department CSC, and I want to give the location is Hyderabad. Okay, just click OK. One query is updated. Now you can see the result already is updated. Now print the department. Yes, one of tuple is updated. Now just run this command. You can see that one table is updated. So this is a way of creating that MySQL workbench. Otherwise, if you want to create from here also, no problem. Yes, you can insert here also. So use a command insert into the table name is db dot department values, and I want to give the values 2, and the 2 is I'm going to give an IT now. Then afterwards I'm going to give location is I can call Noida. Yes, yes, spelling mistake values. Okay, and you can see that if there is any error, like if I type something value 1, it will throw an error. So you can understand that one by clicking here. Next, just execute this one. Okay, now you can print from here onwards also. Yes, the two IT Noida is already updated. And if you want to write a query also here, just select star from department. So before writing department here, use a database schema department schema called database, then use a department, then print. Yes, you can see it. And one more that instead of writing all this thing, I want to insert the values here. Yes, just click here, give the value 3, and I want to give a 3 as some called mechanical. Then the location I want to give uh, you can take in Delhi. Yes, then write it successfully. That's it, we created here. Like this one we can create it the way you can see that, and you can parallelly do that here also. Select star from table name called departments. So this is a way of creating a MySQL commands in my workbench of MySQL. That's it.